Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A7 key. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the emergency key release button on the side of your key fob. This button allows you to access the hidden emergency key. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick, ensuring you can replace the battery with ease. Now that you have your tools, press the small release button located on the side of your key fob. While holding the button, gently pull out the metal emergency key. This action will reveal a small, narrow slot where the emergency key was housed. This slot is crucial for the next step in opening the fob. With the emergency key removed, take your small flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the tip into the exposed slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small gap, then slowly work your way around the seam to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Before removing the old battery, note its orientation. Replace it with a new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place, and your key is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.